Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about module caching. So in my previous videos itself, I have explained what is module scope, how to implement modules and its type. If you want to learn about those things, I will provide link in the top right corner. It will be definitely helpful to learn about this video. So module caching. First of all, in index page I am going to remove. Here I want to import the modules. So I am importing the modules. So require and I am going to provide the path /spec. So here in the spec, here I have a variable. Instead of variable, I'm going to provide additionally one function. So function is add arrow function a comma b return a plus b. Here finally I'm going to export module dot exports. Here I'm going to provide add name. So next here I'm going to just run the file, index file. So node index.js. So you can see the console has been given. This name has been consoled. What if in case I am going to import again? So here I have imported like names for names. Here I am going to import the function. So add. Let me clear the terminal and run again the index page. You can see again the value has been consoled only one time, but we have imported twice. This is due to caching happening in the Node.js. Next, I'm going to show how the overriding of function happening. So here we have one function add which is exported. Here I'm going to remove this and just common variable. I'm going to use common variable. Here send dot add, and here you can write the custom function which is going to be override. Here it is just going to console Bharat and send dot add. Now it will override the function also. In case if you are not overriding and you are giving directly here the values, it will just return the values. So here you can see only return values, no console values. So I'm going to provide console. Inside this control I'm going to provide the function. So now we can see the consoled values. You can see here. So if I remove this console and uncomment this, then only we can override the function. In case after overriding here, if you are importing this specific function in other modules, this overwritten function will not be there. The default function will be there. So this is how the module caching will work. For example, here we have spec2. I am going to remove here and go to the index, just copy console.log, send.add 1,2. So here you can see the value which is going to return. You can see the same 3 is written and the console which is present here. The overwritten function is not coming. So the overwritten function will be shown in the particular module only. It will not be shared along with other modules. In next video, I will explain about the require versus import. Let's start the quiz section. In this quiz section, you have to explain how the caching is helping us in Node modules. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.